And right, FEB, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nakama 3-on-3 Basketball League. Kaya samahan nyo ako ngayon sa kanilang liga na dito sa Barrie. 1 hour away from Toronto. Kaya tara, tignan natin.
Okay naman dito yung game 3x3 dito sa Barrie. We use the rules for FIBA rules 3x3. So maganda naman po yung kinaratingan ng paglaro nila at unti-unti nilang nalalaman yung FIBA rules ng 3x3. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami kay JR Hines, yung organizer dito sa Barrie, na na-invite kami para mag-officiating dito sa 3x3 niya.
So we're having a 3x3 tournament here in Barrie. So we have 10 teams right now. So we have Division 1 and Division 2. So itong 3x3 namin, ginagawa lang namin para makapagpapawis kami at saka yung mga kaibigan namin, yung mga kasama namin kahit papano. Lalo na ngayong holiday season, mahaba-habang long weekend. So ito lang magagawa namin, papawis, basketball. Basketball, naging parte na talaga ng buhay ng isang mga Pilipino sa atin. Kaya ito, sama-sama lang kami sa basketball court. Ganito lang ngayong ginagawa namin kapag holidays. So, shout out to FBB, Filipino Brotherhood Basketball, for all the way from Toronto. Kaya thank you, Boss Sandro, sa pagpunta nyo rito.
Hey guys, welcome to Nakama Basketball League 3-on-3. This is the very first time that we're doing it here in Barrie. I guess the reason why we're doing this is para ma-exercise lahat ng mga players after the holiday. So we just plan to bring all players from Barrie, and of course meron din mga players from Toronto FBB. Yun, para lang mag-enjoy lahat, maging masaya sa Christmas and New Year holiday. So yun lang ang aming main reason, and of course the other reason that we're doing this is for our upcoming season 3 ng Nakama Basketball League sa February. So salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa lahat ng mga sponsors, sa lahat ng mga players, mga teams, mga captains, and of course di namin makakalimutan ng FBB for supporting us all the way from Toronto. Salamat, Boss Sandro and FBB team. Thank you.
Alright, so nakikita nyo ngayon sa background ko, meron silang half-court shot. So, tignan natin kung sino makapasok. Let's see. BAM! Ayun! Nakapasok! Jersey number 67. Boss, ano masasabi mo? Napasok mo yung half-court shot.
And then, di na bago.
Nagprepara ka ba? Nagpreparasyon ba? May preparasyon ba or wala?
Hindi, pinag-practicean ko yun mula araw tsaka gabi.
Alright, thank you.
The game's great. Just having fun with with my boys, getting some exercise, and yeah, just having a great day. Yeah, it's pretty competitive. I think the players are great. Great environment all around, and just having fun.
Okay naman, playing the game. Shoot lang ng shoot. Yun lang.
The game is really good so far. The first play, like the game is like kind of off, and then the second, third, and fourth is really good. And then all glory to God, because I think for myself that I'm the youngest player here, so I gotta like put up my game, because like older people, I get to learn like new lessons and stuff. Yeah, that's it.
Yun nga ang takbo ng game sa first two games dito sa court ko. Naging maayos naman. Ang tawag ko, maayos naman. Ang inaano lang ng players, nahihirapan sila dahil hindi sila sanay sa 3x3 dito sa Berry. So, nahihirapan sila opensa sabay depensa kaagad. Ganun talaga ang 3x3. Kailangan ng stamina mo maganda. Okay, so maganda naman, maayos naman.
First game namin, hindi ko in-expect kasi first time ko mag-play ng yung totoong 3-on-3, man. So it's really hard. And then shoutout sa FBB team. Grabe, pinalo kami, lakas nila. Nakakahingal. Yeah.
Una-una, salamat sa Nakama 3v3 and salamat kay Kuya Sandro sa pagbuo ng team. Shoutout sa FBB.
Honestly, like the games were really close. You know, I was sick the entire time. That's why I was out like in the first like 10 minutes. But honestly, I'm tired, so I want to go home. Oh, it's really fun. Like everyone got to play. You know, everyone's really nice. You know, so everyone should come and join.
From Toronto. Hey Josh, what's up?
Shout out FBB! Shout out FBB!